In the digital age, starting an e-commerce business has become a popular route for budding entrepreneurs. The appeal is evident: a global audience, flexible working hours, and a multitude of products and services to sell. Let's dive into the basics of establishing an online retail venture. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First things first, determine your niche. It's essential to find a product or service that both interests you and has demand. Research suggests that businesses born from passion are more likely to succeed. When picking your niche, think about what problems you're solving or what unique value you are offering. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to consider your business model. There are various e-commerce models out there, but some of the most popular include B2B, which is business to business, B2C, business to consumer, and D2C, direct to consumer. With your niche and business model set, now you'll need to finalize your products or services. If you're not producing your own items, consider partnering with reliable suppliers or dropshippers. Now, let's talk about your platform. Your e-commerce platform will be the digital storefront of your business. Some notable options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Your choice will depend on your budget, tech savviness, and customization needs. Another fascinating statistic to note: according to studies, around 60% of users abandon their shopping carts due to unexpected costs. To curb this, ensure your pricing strategy is transparent, competitive, and fair. Factor in all potential costs, including shipping, taxes, and any other fees. When setting up your e-commerce site, prioritize user experience. A smooth, intuitive site can translate to higher sales. Remember, a simple and streamlined checkout process can reduce cart abandonment rates. In e-commerce, trust is paramount. One study shows that approximately 80% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Thus, ensure your site has a system for reviews and testimonials. Next up, marketing and promotion. The world of e-commerce is crowded, so visibility is key. Invest in search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and social media marketing to drive traffic to your site. One final thought to keep in mind: around 40% of online transactions are now done on mobile devices. Ensure your e-commerce site is mobile responsive to cater to this massive audience. To set up your e-commerce business today, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting an e-commerce business? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.